Hello, I'm Professor Rakesh. I work in the operations management area at IIM Lucknow. This program has been running successfully for 4 batches now, and we have had very good response from participants so far. The way we have designed the program is we have covered different aspects of balance. For instance, we have given a lot of importance to the conventional theories around operations and supply chain management. We've also given a lot of focus to modern areas like predictive analytics, artificial intelligence, digital transformation, etc.
Hi, I'm Professor Yash. So when we are talking about this course, this takes a participant as inception from understanding the need of the product, next to understand how a firm can best produce it and deliver it, and next, how can Industry 4.0 applications, artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT tools, big data tools will come together and create an integrated system which can help a firm in creating value for all its stakeholders.
So if you look at the entire program, roughly 20% of the program is delivered by industry practitioners and 80% of the program will be delivered by academics.
This program is for executives who really want to learn, unlearn and relearn.
The program has been tailored in such a way that it does not eat into busy schedule of executives. So if you are an early or mid-career executive interested in learning aspects of operations in supply chain analytics and a wonderful experience in campus immersion as well, this program is for you.